going to work on a combination known as a SUGARFOOT, or sugar for short. It's very simple. It's easy to do. It's a great little combination for beginners because it is so easy, but it looks pretty kind of neat and cool. And we will be doing sugars in place. And we're also going to be traveling with them a little bit too, going side to side with them. You can also go forward and back with the sugar. There's no limitations. So try your SUGARFOOT. Basically, you're going to step, but you're going to pivot your foot while you step. So that first step, you're going to point your heel towards the front and then pivot the foot around as you step to the other side. So you have this sort of twisting motion that you're going to make. And you're going to definitely step. Now, very often when I teach this for the first time, people will start off doing this, and then they'll do this, and they'll stop picking their feet up. It is a step, so you need to make sure you are picking the foot up. Step, 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 step. So the foot is doing this action where it's pivoting back and forth, but you're picking it up each time. Okay, so that is your SUGARFOOT. We call them sugars for short. When you're going to the right foot's going to step out a little bit, and then when you bring the left foot in, it's going to cause you to travel a little bit. And we will go left also. So you're kind of doing, without the pivoting part, you're basically doing step, together, step, together, step, together, step, touch, step, together, step, together, step, together, step, touch. But we're going to sugar them, so you're going to pivot your foot on those steps. Step, together, step, together, step, together, step, touch, step, together, step, together, step, together, step, touch. Now, if you are on a small tap board and you don't have room to travel, you can just do this. You don't have to travel with it. But if we were in the classroom and everyone would have plenty of room, I would be encouraging you to move a little bit with this part. Okay, so let's do our little sugar section. You are going to also clap your hands on that touch. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, together, step, together, step, together, step, touch, step, together, step, together, step, together, step, touch. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and sugar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.